In today's video, I'll show you how to filter Google Ads conversions in Looker Studio so you can focus only on the conversion actions that matter to your business. Start by opening your web browser, searching for Looker Studio and logging in with your Google account. Once you're inside your report, select the chart, table or scorecard where you want to display filtered Google Ads conversions. With the visualization selected, look to the right-hand properties panel and make sure you are on the Setup tab. Scroll down until you see Add a filter, then click it and choose Create a filter. Give your filter a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. For the filter type, choose Include, since we only want specific conversions to appear. Next, set the dimension to segment conversion type name. This is the key field that lets you filter individual Google Ads conversion actions. Now, choose your condition. Use equals if you want one exact conversion action, or contains if you want to match multiple similar conversions. In the value field, enter the exact Google Ads conversion name, such as a purchase, lead, or form submission. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your chart will instantly update to show only the selected Google Ads conversions. And that's it. You've successfully filtered Google Ads conversions in Looker Studio, giving you cleaner data and more focused insights.